How to log in to HBO Max. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can log in to HBO Max. Now once you choose the device that you are using, what you want to do is you want to open up HBO Max app. Now you can easily get it on the Play Store. In my case, it's not available in my region. Now if I just open it up here, you can see in Play Store it says it's not available. Now what you want to do is you want to open up the HBO Max and then you want to tap on the profile icon that you'll find on the opening of the app. Then once you do so, what you want to do is you want to sign into your account. You want to tap on sign in option, and once you tap on sign in option, you want to enter in your account email and password, and then you want to choose the sign in option. Now once you do so, you'll be able to sign into your account. If you want to sign into multiple accounts, what you want to do is you want to again tap on the profile icon at the home page, and once you do so, at the upper right you'll find the home page, and then you want to tap on the sign in option again, and there you'll be able to add another account. And once you tap on profile, you'll be able to easily switch in between accounts and choose the profile that you want to use and stream through it. So this way you can log in or sign into HBO Max. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.